YP400.
What'd you pay for this?
$1,000.
And look at these miles. Your boy got a steal. Hold up. Old Bald Tire Shop out here. Got a freaking monster truck. What is going on? Alright, what showed up today? 2004 Yamaha Majesty. This thing's a dime, a gem. Pulled it out of a barn.
YP400.
What'd you pay for this?
$1,000.
And look at these miles. Bald Tire crew. Your boy got a steal. 1,466 stock tires. Look at these. Look at these tassels. Oh yeah, she stops on dime. So what happened? You ended up selling the old jog. That video did pretty good.
Jog, the lady swap jog, no more. We did straight across. Actually, I made $50. Thinking not too bad of a deal. We went from a 1993 70cc two-stroke to a 2005 400cc four-stroke.
And so what happened with the Plini build?
Plini, it made too much power, you know, she had to let her go, you know, before it was too late, you know, it was like a boost in the city.
Yep, too much boost, selling before they blow, and re-upped on a jump. Didn't even have to go far. You went like 15 minutes away.
15-minute drive, like.
Y'all need to stay on that marketplace, man.
Look at the storage on this.
Yep.
You feel like 3 gallons of milk in there. 4 gallons.
Shoot, you could probably fit in there. Do we know any history on this bike?
Came from Dan Cycle, Heston, Kansas.
No, I'm talking about Yamaha. What's up with the Mitsubishi on the windshield?
Oh shit, I don't know shit about these things. It's too new for me.
Got a little fart can on her. Makes it sound like a vacuum.
I mean, look at this tip though. Let me see the 5-look bolt pattern. Look at it.
Look at the dang knobs on the backside too.
And the rims, you show the rims got 16-inch factory rims.
16-inch factory rims, liquid cooled, fuel injected. Got a glove box.
Got a glove box. And I heard a rumor that it's actually bigger than a 400cc. I think it's 401. Usually it's
401. All right, fire this unit up. Let's hear it real quick. Oh, you thought you had to sit on it? Might have been the same day you got the Majesty. Yeah, you need speed. Oh my goodness! Yeah. No. Oh.
Yeah, balance. Hold us up.
Oh, with your pinky. There you go.
400-pound machine.
Look at that. Well-balanced machine. All right, take it for a spin. No wheelie, huh? She's heavy. Oh, we're gonna do a ball tire burnout? Oh, shoot. Oh, all right.
There's already a mark there.
Yeah, put a few tires against that spot. Yeah, I think I'll hold. Oh, she's a heavy one.
You look low? Tire?
Nope. Oh, it is. Dang, it's a wide load. Yeah, not quite. Can't do a rolling burnout? Oof. Oh yeah, you got that. Manhandling that big old 400-pound bike. Holy smokes. Not quite, huh? You gotta have the back tire in the water. But she's overheating. We're gonna dig into this thing. There's nothing online how to get to the thermostat, water pump, nothing like that. We just got done tuning this unit. The old K-tag. Tuned it for the muffler delete, cold air intake. We're gonna see if we can get a little better burnout out of this unit. He's on the other side of the block. We'll hear him go down Broadway. Wow. This sounds like someone's drag racing. Oh my goodness, that's insane, bro. Oh my goodness, bro, that is too much.
Does Italy have these things for like police bikes too?
Yeah,
Huh.
they do.
Look at the smoke.
I don't know if they're Yamahas, but they have maxi scooters. So Italy is not big on maxi scooters. That's all they fucking run.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
All they. So you see Yamaha T-Maxes, Yamaha Maxis, Yamaha CX.
Yeah, I was like, dang, the torque on this thing.
Dude, my clothes here is crazy.
Man, that actually made this thing pretty cool. Can't lie. I could feel that in my soul. I feel like if you...
It's definitely knows to be faster.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's what you want. Less restriction.
Where the spin right here?
It's an air pump.
But it's fucking like gripped up like that, like wiggly, like that sideways.
Now what you need to do is take them air filters out and now run it with no air filters, no muffler, and it'll tune itself, I bet. You're restricting the... Oh yeah, there you go, pop some holes. Oh yeah, that's what those are for. Yeah, I feel like I need to test ride it before we put the muffler on so the people can hear them.
Yes,
Yeah. It does. Yeah, she pulls harder, definitely. That's way better. Need to gut that muffler at the very least. Sheesh. Alright, test ride and review. Where the water pump thermostat is. $1,000, 1,000 mile Majesty. Clean title. Ball tire out. Ball tire out.